Desiderata. Go placidly amid the noise and haste any number. What peace do we be in silence, as far as possible, without surrender. Be on good terms with all persons, speaking to quietly and clearly, and listen to others, even the dull ignorant to have their story. Avoid loud and aggressive persons, for they are vexations to the spirit. If you compare yourself with others, you will become vain and bitter. You will always be greater and lesser persons than yourself. Enjoy achievements as well as your plans. Keep interested in your own career, however humble. This is a real possession in the theater of forces of time. Exercise caution in your business affairs, for the world is full of trickeries, but let this not blind you to what virtue there is. Many persons strive for high ideals. In everywhere life is full of reason. Be yourself, especially do not feign affection. Neither be cynical about love, for in the face of full aridity in disenchantment, it is as perennial as the grass. Take kindly the counsel of the years, gracefully surrendering things of youth, nurture strength of spirit to shield you in sudden misfortune. Do not distress yourself with dark imaginings. Many fears are born of fatigue and loneliness. Be an wholesome discipline. Be gentle with yourself. You are a child of the universe, no less than the trees and stars. You have a right to be here, or whether or not it is clear to you. No doubt the universe is unfolding as it should. Therefore, at peace,
Be
at peace with God. Whatever you conceive Him to be, and whatever your labors and aspirations in the noisy confusion of life, keep peace with your soul.
with all
With all its charm, tragedy, and broken youth, it is still a beautiful world. Be cheerful, strive to be happy. Desiderata.